Hey everybody, my name is Maria Quintero from Elettronika Group. I guess you have seen me before. Right now, today, I want to show you this start point combiner. It has 2 inputs and it can take up to 4 kilowatt each input. And as you can see, it has its samplers, it has wheels, you can move it easily. And what I want to say is that it's made by Comtech, it's made in Italy, perfect technology, excellent quality, and I just want to say that I'm offering this baby and I can offer you any kind of combiners or filters made by Comtech. If you call me now or later and say, Maria, I want to buy a combiner, quote me a combiner, I can for sure provide you with the best price in the market. So call me, Maria Quintero from Elettronika Group.